Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing of the most awaited smartphone from Xiaomi in India, the Redmi Note 5 Pro. So Xiaomi has announced the latest version of the Redmi Note 5 series, the Note 5 Pro, and this is the global launch of the Note 5 Pro, and this has come first to India even before China. And this device comes with really good specifications. It has a full view 18:9 aspect ratio display, and this is first smartphone to power with the Snapdragon 636 octa-core chipset. And it comes in two variants. There are 4GB RAM variant and 6GB RAM variant, and this is also the first Redmi smartphone to power with a 6GB RAM. So this device will go on sale on Feb 22nd. And so device is priced 13,999 for the 4GB RAM variant and 16,999 for the 6GB RAM variant. So now let's get started with unboxing. So this is the box pack of the Redmi Note 5 Pro. So nothing is mentioned on the box pack. It's a plain and simple box pack. So just Redmi Note 5 is mentioned. Now let's open this. So there you go. So on the top you get the Redmi Note 5 Pro. We have the silver variant. It comes in 4 colors: black, rose gold, silver, and the blue variant. The blue variant is the highlight. We'll try to get the blue variant for unboxing as well. So this device comes with a dual camera setup. So you can see the dual camera, 12 plus 5 megapixel dual camera, dual LED flash, the fingerprint scanner, and we'll talk about the device in a while. So opening up the box, so you get a case with this box. So that's something really good. You can see it's a silicone case is included. So that's first time Xiaomi is including a case with the Redmi series phones. Then we have the warranty information and the quick start guide included. Then you also get this adapter. So let's see the voltage rating of the adapter. So there you go. It is rated at 5 volt, 2 ampere is the rating. So that's the typical standard charging, and we have the micro USB cable for charging and data syncing, and then we also have the SIM ejector pin included. So that's all inside the box. Now let's see the device. So that's the Xiaomi Redmi 5 Pro. It's a 5.99-inch Full HD Plus resolution display, 18:9 aspect ratio display. The display looks really good, crisp and colorful. It has Gorilla Glass support, and you also have this 2.5D glass. So that's the device. So you can see the touch response is also really smooth. So that's the display aspect. Now on the design front, you get the power and volume keys on the right side. The bottom panel houses the 3.5mm audio jack and the micro USB charging slot, the speaker unit, and the top panel houses the IR blaster. The left side houses the SIM tray. It's a hybrid SIM card slot, and you get 2 SIM card option. Now on the rear panel you get the dual camera. It's a 12 and 5 megapixel camera combination, fingerprint scanner, dual LED flash, and the Mi logo at the bottom. And on the front panel you get a 20 megapixel shooter. It is one of the really good selfie cameras we have seen in this price segment. Now there is also on-screen navigational buttons and full view display. So that was the design aspect. So overall it feels quite good in terms of design and build quality, excellent material finish, and it feels quite good with the tapered edges. It actually feels good in hands. Now let's go to the settings and see about phone. So you can see this is the about phone. Android version is 7.1.1 Nougat out of the box. The Snapdragon 636 octa-core chipset, clocked at 1.8 GHz and 4GB RAM and 64GB storage. So it also comes with 6GB RAM and 64GB storage variant. So this is the global launch of the Xiaomi Redmi 5 Pro. So it comes with the MIUI 9 out of the box, and you also know how good the MIUI is. It comes with a lot of additional features like support for themes, dual apps, app lock, and a whole lot of features. We'll cover all those things later. So this was the look at the software. Now let's go straight into the camera unit. So that's the highlight of this device. So you can see the camera interface is slightly changed. You can see the modes are available at the top. So these are the modes available, and it comes with all the regular modes, and you also get video, short video, portrait, and square modes along with HDR, and some of the filters are also included here. So that's quite good interface, and then you also get the option to switch to front facing camera. Now this phone comes with the dual camera setup. It is a 12 megapixel primary camera and a secondary 5 megapixel camera for depth sensing, and a 20 megapixel shooter. Now let's have a look at some of the samples we have taken with this device. So here are some of the samples we took after unboxing the device. So it has come really good in terms of the clarity of, and overall it feels quite good. It's one of the best smartphones from Xiaomi till date in terms of the camera performance. Probably it will be competing with the Xiaomi's Mi A1, which has again a dual camera setup. On a 7X again has a good camera. So we'll also be comparing some of the samples we have taken with these devices with the Honor 7X, the Mi A1 and the Moto G5s Plus. So stay tuned for all those videos. So the selfies also turned out to be really good, excellent detailing, good sharpness levels, and also you can see the portrait mode is one of the highlights of this camera. So it comes really good. So we'll be coming up with the detailed camera review later, so stay tuned for that video. Finally, it comes with a 4000 mAh battery. That's a good capacity battery. The same battery we have seen on the Redmi Note 4 as well. So it should be able to get you good battery life. So we'll be talking about the battery as well in detail. So stay tuned for those videos as well. So this was the quick unboxing of the Xiaomi Redmi 5 Pro. It will go on sale on Flipkart on Feb 22nd, and the pricing is 13,999 for the 4GB RAM variant and 16,999 for the 6GB RAM variant. And this is the first smartphone from Redmi to come with 6GB RAM. So that was the quick unboxing and hands-on with the Xiaomi Redmi 5 Pro. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the red subscribe button for more videos. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.